You have to hold it on there. Now press the button. Stop.
Hey, I just welded.
Yeah, you did just weld. Get out of the way!
Wait.
Yo, no way! Bro, that actually just worked. Great.
Bright, it's dark. Bright, it's dark.
Are their lights really that bad? Welcome back, guys, to another episode of My Dad Is Gone and Out of Town.
Yeah, he's out chasing a demon or something like that.
Grace, he's taking a Doctors of Ministry class.
Oh.
Anyways, I brought Grace into the garage with me this week to get some projects done on my 41 Ford Powerstroke build before we take it to the Muscle Car and Corvette Nationals next month. So stay tuned. All right, Grace, first thing we gotta do is back the dodgy Chevy out, so your turn. Get in there. All right, you can get out now. I'm just gonna leave it rolling and Dad'll edit it out. Dad, I'm gonna get into the truck and I'm gonna back it out, but we're gonna make it look like Grace backed it out.
That's cool.
Are you out of the way? Get out of the way!
Wait. Hopefully it was
really nice for you to tell me where Mom's car was at. All right, get in here.
I was going like this.
I was in the boxes.
Yeah, I was gonna move those and then
I just didn't want to hit Mom's car.
Then I was gonna tell you stop when you hit Mom's car, but
It's fine.
You weren't looking at me anyway.
Good work, Grace. Come on. All right, guys. First thing we're gonna do is fix this massive dent in my roof here. You can also see on the inside, there's a hole. Shining through the roof there. You can see sunlight. Yeah, sunlight. So we're gonna fix that up. That, when it was sitting in the tree line behind a barn in Colorado, when it was sitting there since 1975, a tree fell on it and kind of wrecked the whole roof. So that needs fixed.
Don't you want to see it at the time?
No. Well, I guess that works fine. So I just used that hammer and kind of brought this whole slit thing more together. So we're gonna get our welder out and we're just gonna weld that hole back together, I guess. I don't actually know like what the settings on this mean because my dad always does it. But, you know, it should be fine. Set up the ground though. I guess we could put it on here because it's connected to this. I need a different ground. It's probably good. There we go. There we go. I also just realized something. Gotta wait for the fan on that to turn off before I turn the whole thing off. I just realized I did not grind down to clean metal when I started welding that. But you know, it's fine.
What is that clip thing for?
It's like, this clip is a ground, but the ground is where, I don't know how to use the word ground without saying it's a ground. It's where you get, like, it's how the electricity moves through like the whole thing. Can you hold the light so it's shining through so I can see any holes?
Up there?
Yeah. Don't trip on any of these.
It's not gonna like shock me through the bed?
No. It's not a shock, Grace.
I stand on this.
Yeah?
This hole?
Yes, thank you. Sponsor of today's video is Design Engineering Incorporated.
The maker of the boom mat.
The boom mat is a vibration dampening material that reduces road noise, enhances audio performance, and it's the thickest, highest performing dampening material available. It requires only 25 to 50% coverage for optimal performance. Saves you a ton of money. You can use it on floors, door skins, trucks, roofs, around speakers, and vertical or horizontal spaces. The first step to a quiet, cool, and better sounding interior. Okay guys, we're gonna be putting this boom mat inside my truck. There's like, I think there's 4 pieces of like the super duper thick stuff, and the rest are thinner. So first step is we gotta clean out everything on this truck. We're not gonna be using a degreaser because we don't really want that to mess with the stickiness. It's gonna be, we want it to stick to the floor. Get the walls too.
I caught it.
Proud of
My
you.
leg.
Get the walls too. Guys, I just remembered that this is indented super bad. And we're putting the boom mat on the roof. So, we're gonna have to get that undented. So Grace, step in the truck. Go ahead and just get in, we'll clean it again, I guess. Put your hands up and try to undent it. Let me do it. Let me do it. Hold the camera. Ugh. Point it at me, not you. Back up!
Hold on. Ow, my knees.
Are you ready? Whoa! Okay, well that worked on that side. It's working, but not. How are we supposed to get this undented?
Together.
Hold on. You're supposed to be filming right now, Goofy. Yo, no way! Bro, that actually just worked. That's crazy. Did you get that? Did you get that on camera?
I got your legs.
Well, did you get the roof undenting?
Yes, I got you
like
going
on the
like I went like this.
Hey, it actually looks like a roof on top. This part right here and this part. Don't. Give me the camera, you're awful. What just squeaked? A duck? Okay. We need to undent that part right there and that part right there.
Use your feet again.
Here. Hold the camera still.
We're using the feet method.
Yikes. I don't know if it'll stay undented. Like, it's undented right now, but I don't know if it'll stay like that. And right here. Oh, that stayed.
Get up there.
Up where?
Up here.
I don't know if the boom mat's going all the way over there. Oh.
Popped.
Ugh. Good work. Huh. Now I just need to clean the roof.
Yep.
Use 2 hands. Push hard.
What?
Push hard. You have glasses on. Go for it. Good job. Now, okay, keep moving on to the next one. Go where you can see like paint's falling off. Like
That was,
here.
paint was falling off there.
Here. Yeah, I'm just letting you know. Okay guys, we're in our socks because we didn't want to get this dirty. But we have the roof done.
The floor done.
The floor
The wall
done.
done.
The wall, Grace. Oh. We have the roof done.
The floor done. The wall done.
Good.
Where's Waldo? That's what it sounds like. Okay.
You know we're matching right now. And for all you guys who are saying that the videos of her are of younger me, it is not. Like, we are here together. We are here together. All right, Grace. You hold this? Guys, this is my shifter. It's an old, like, torch thing. So we're gonna take this end off because we don't need it right now. But we just need to weld this pipe and the attachment to the shifter. Oh, the fan turned off. We need to wipe the pipe and the attachment to the shifter together. So they're like really tight on there right now, just because they're really tight fitting. But Grace, you can go ahead and put that on this end. Right there's fine. And then I'll probably hold it while you weld it. I'll show you what to do first, but put your mask on. Put your mask on.
How do you know if it's working?
Well, you know if it's working if it goes dark. Is this on your head tight enough?
Ow.
Too tight?
My eyebrows are like...
Up. Okay. First, put your mask up. I'm going to teach you. This, you're going to put it. Grace. Oh. Grace!
I'm not doing anything.
I'm just going to have you take the mask off. Are you fine now?
Yeah.
Grace! Take the mask off.
No.
Then concentrate. Okay. I'm going to put this little end here on the thing. In between, like right here. In between the pipe and the attachment. You see that? Do you see?
Yeah, why do you...
Because I'm showing you how. I'm going to do the first one. You're going to tap this button here and hold it for 3 seconds. That's what it's called a tack weld. Okay, put the mask on.
I don't want to do this.
Yes, you do. It's fun.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do. You're just going to do the tack
Hold on,
weld.
I don't have it on. My head's too big. Hey, why'd it go dark?
What do you mean, why'd it go dark? The mask is dark, Grace.
I know that.
Your mask is going to flash.
Whoa. Why is it flashing?
Is it flashing right now?
Yes.
Okay.
If I look up, it flashes.
Is it flashing now?
Yep. Well, no, now it's just dark. It's on.
Great.
It's bright, it's dark. It's bright, it's dark.
Are the lights really that bad? I guess your sensitivity on that is really high. Okay, well, look, then it should work for this. Look at my weld. Ready? Tack weld.
Spike's gonna fly at me?
No. Spikes? No.
Sparks?
No. Hold.
I don't want to do this.
Yes, you do. Put my gloves on. Don't. Not yet.
Wait, so I take this.
Take this. Just press on this button. See how it feels. Just press it.
Right now?
Yeah. It's not going to do anything. It's just going to go out. Press it. Okay, stop pressing it.
Why'd it go out that far?
Because you held it out that far. That's how that works. Press it a little bit. Right there. That was a little far, Grace. I like the stick a little longer so I know where I'm putting it when I put it on there. Okay. I'm gonna...
3 seconds?
No. Yes. 3 seconds.
I'm
gonna hold it for you.
scared.
Don't be scared.
Where?
Not yet.
Here?
Right there. You have to hold it on there. Now press the button. Stop. Look.
Hey, I just welded.
Yeah, you did just weld. You did it right there.
That's pretty neat.
Not too often do you get all this neatness in one location.
Hold it down. Stop. Look at that. Nice welding. I'm gonna do the rest. Because the rest isn't a tack weld. It's a...
Can I watch?
Yeah, you can watch. So you're gonna bring it here. I'm just gonna show you. I'm gonna bring it here, then go up, up and down like this. It's like a ribbon weld. Is your helmet on?
What?
Get in the picture. Helmet on?
Mm-hmm.
Alright guys, here's our weld. It's not my finest welding, but it's pretty good. Good job, Grace.
Well, it's about 1:30 in the morning. I just got done driving 10.5 hours home from a not a Master's of Divinity. Got one of those already. Doctor of Ministry class I'd taken all week, and I woke the dogs up, so they're hollering. But Caitlin tells me that she and Gracie have been at work this week, so before I go in the house, I thought I would check this out. It's pretty good. I guess I haven't seen the footage, but I guess you guys have seen this already. Oh, they did the roof too. Use a little roller here to press it down. Very good. We're probably gonna have to get a little bit in the corners here and there. It's not full coverage, but they say you only need about 50% coverage to be effective. She didn't cover the floor here because we've still got to drill a couple of holes for clutch and brake pedal to come through, but that was nice. Cut around the cab mount. Not bad. I don't hate it. Now I guess I was eager to see the footage from this week. see what those two got up to. I see they moved my truck. It's definitely in the wrong spot. It's all right. Oh, the roof doesn't have a dent in it anymore. I'm kind of impressed. I don't know what all they got done. I'm still gonna have to push that out a little bit, I think, before we can get the window in properly. But it's kind of hard to see, but there's a little concave there, a little concave there as well. So, but that window's not a huge priority for us, at least not yet. All right, guys. Well, I'm going to bed, and I don't know when I'll get this all edited, but you'll see it then. So, thanks for watching.